त्रिवेणी तेलुगू स्कूल धारावी।
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी के लक्ष्मी।
माझे नाव प्रिया रामचंद्र जाधव।
मेरा नाम कोमल चंद्रास त्रिपाठी है। मेरा नाम ज्योति है, मैं छठी क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम है मनपा हिंदी शाला, सांताक्रूज टैंकलैंड रोड।
These girls are neither small children nor quite young adults. This stage of life, the early adolescence, is of much importance in women's physical, social and emotional development. If development is stunted at this stage, there will be permanent damage to their health and related areas of life. While interacting with girls and documenting their lives, we realized that there is a special need to evolve a resource center for girls that can later be linked to the main education system. We at Vacha Women's Resource Center in Mumbai initiated a project of creating a resource center for adolescent girls. The center saw health in a holistic way, wherein health education, games, yoga asanas, physical training, nutritional knowledge, knowledge about one's body and respect for it were planned together with other life skills. For this, work was done with girls from classes 6 to 9, covering the age group 10 to 15 or 16. The resource center is for girls who are from disadvantaged families, who either study in schools run by government agencies or have dropped out. The activities of the resource center are carried out through classroom education, art, craft and theatre activities, library assignments and health fairs. Girls from cities and villages of Gujarat and Maharashtra are also included in this project. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the Indian version of Education for All international campaign, has given special importance to health education and other aspects of girls' development. In this project, health is incorporated with other life skills because in health, sense of well-being is also included. For this, language development, general knowledge and other skills are also essential. Even rest, recreation and entertainment are vital to maintenance of health. Earlier, I had never played on the school ground. My Vacha teacher encouraged us to play there. After that, we began to play there. We played with ball, bat, with racket too. We feel it is good to play. Girls should play outside too. Yoga has been introduced to make them aware of the need to look after their body and mind through physical exercise and breathing, as yoga has been found to increase attention span. It is also beneficial for their general health. We had interviewed many girls in our project. We had asked if they knew what menstruation was all about. 80% of them had no idea. Those who knew anything were only aware of what actually happens when one gets a period. But no one knew what major changes really occur in the body. So we felt it was absolutely necessary to let girls have full knowledge about their own bodies. First, we had to make special learning materials for this. It is not easy to undertake teaching this kind of topic. There is a lot of sense of shame connected with menstruation and hesitance to discuss it. It was necessary to remove such taboos and see that learning took place in a simple and natural way. New kind of charts were made and body literacy was imparted while creating an understanding of our relationship with our own bodies. One can even wear a teaching aid and learn about a body part. Then there was group activity where girls would put body parts together on paper as if it was a puzzle. Learning about menstruation and conception became so popular that even women teachers would come and suggest that we help them learn about their bodies. This, when at one stage mothers used to tell us not to discuss such topics with their daughters and that they would tell them what to do when they began to menstruate. Now we could see the changes in attitude. Girls themselves began to talk to their mothers about what they learned. This was a satisfying experience. Personalized health diaries were created and distributed along with a cultural program.
चौकी चूल्हा चौकी चूल्हा चौकी चूल्हा चौकी।
पढ़कर मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती, टीचर बनकर बच्चों को सिखाऊंगी कि भूतों से डरना नहीं।
The school should organize competitions, it should be clean, there should be many different programs and activities in school. What kind? All kinds. There must be things to learn from outside the syllabus also. We should be able to decide what we want. Toilets should be clean, but they are not. We like the free ship. We have library, but we do not get to visit it. We would like to use the library. And we like teachers who teach well. After I have finished my work at home and in the fields, it would be nice if someone helped me with my English and maths. Knowledge of English is essential today. The Resource Center teaches English in an innovative way.
And you're happy and you know it, you want five. When you're happy and you know it, you want five. When you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. When you're happy and you know it, you want five.
The use of dictionary, which is made to look like a game, is a skill which would be useful later in life when they need to look up names in lists like voters list, telephone directory, railway reservation charts, etc. Computer classes are also conducted. Apart from general applications, use of internet is also taught so that girls can access information, including about health. Reading skills are to be developed to further their interest in widening their worldview and empower them. But books are not easily available to them. The Resource Center introduced a mobile library to fill this gap. Books in various languages are taken to them. Along with this, a colorful catalogue has been created to make the selection easier. Interactive readings with theatre persons are conducted to arouse their interest in books. Educational and recreational fun fairs were organized on the theme of health. These gave girls a chance to play and also acquire some learning about health and to have some better ideas of themselves. There were various stalls. In one, they could play out what they wanted to be. There was another where there were games that would challenge superstitions.
Good girl! Shabash!
There was yet another where they could try out their strength. And one more where they would hit targets with rings. And if they succeeded, it was theirs. The targets would be an orange, which stood for vitamin C, peanuts for proteins, comb and nail cutter for hygiene, etc. So in this way, many health-related topics were introduced, and a visit to the Mela or Fun Fair became an enriching and joyful experience. There were film screenings, songs, and craft workshops.